Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to connect Supabase to Google Sheets. As of right now, there is no way to directly connect the two, so we will be using an app called WhaleSync, which you do need to pay a plan for. The link will be provided in the description box below. With that in mind, let's get started. First, go to whalesync.com, log in your account, and this action will lead you to your dashboard, where you will click on New Sync at the top right corner. In this new page, click on Supabase as your first app. Then this pop-up will appear, where you will click on Authorize. Then click on Authorize WhaleSync in this next pop-up. After that, click on Save right here. Next, for your second app, click on Google Sheets. Then this pop-up will appear where you will paste the URL of the Google Sheet you want to sync with, and click on Authorize down here. In this next pop-up, you will be prompted to log in your selected Google account. Then click on Allow in the next prompt. Then click on Save right here. And that is how you can connect Supabase to Google Sheets. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.